Hi, I'm Nicole from The Exclusive. I'm the designer for this house. So in this house, all the drawers we use the soft closing track, and also in the kitchen, we actually love the compartment for this tall basket unit where we actually put in the dry goods and also the tidbits. In the wardrobe itself, we love the accessories drawers and also the ironing board. In all my projects, I always love to introduce Excel products. Reason is because the durability of the product is very good, so especially when we use it in the kitchen, it's able to hold heavy stuffs like the plates and bowls and pots. We can actually keep everything very well organized, having the different baskets for different items in the kitchen. We'll definitely recommend Excel to our clients because they are trustworthy, functional, and durable. The Exclusive is proud to be an Excel preferred partner.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.